Hi folks, guess today's recipe? Yes, it is Ridge Gourd, Bassaru and Palya, also known as Heerekai, Bassaru and Palya. So let's start cooking. So in a vessel, I'm taking in 1 cup of green gram, also adding in 1 cup of toor dal. Wash them well. To that add 3 glasses of water and boil for 10 minutes on medium flame. After 10 minutes, check whether the dal is mushy. Yes, so once the toor dal is mushy, we add in the ridge gourd. Here I have chopped 1 ridge gourd in cubes and I'm adding it into this. And I'm also adding 1 glass of water. Let us allow this to boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of rock salt and again boil for 5 minutes. So you can see now it's done. We'll switch off the flame and we'll strain out the water completely. Keep it aside for some time so that the water will strain well. Now in a small pan, let's switch on the flame to medium. Add in 1 tablespoon of oil. Also add in 1 tablespoon of jeera to that. 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. You can use garlic cloves here, 2 to 3. Also add in 1 small onion sliced roughly. Okay, saute for 5 minutes till the onions are cooked well. After that, we add in 1 small tomato, roughly sliced, and saute for 5 minutes till the tomatoes are cooked well. Now we can see it's done. We'll turn off the flame and allow it to cool completely. Add it to a grinder. Along with it, add 1 tablespoon of sambar powder, few curry leaves, 1 cup of desiccated coconut. You can also use fresh coconut here. Just grind for 3 seconds. You can see it's roughly grinded. Add a tad bit of water so that it is moist enough to make it a paste. And 1 ladle serving of the boiled dal and ridge gourd mixture. Grind it to this consistency. Now in a deep bottom vessel, we switch on the flame to medium. Add in a tablespoon of oil. Add in 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Splutter the tempering. Add 1 small onion sliced, few curry leaves and saute well. So once you see that the onions are cooked well, we add in the dal water. Also add in the grinded paste. Add 1 glass of water. Mix well and allow this to boil for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, you can see that it is cooked completely. You can see all the froth above the bassaru is gone. So now it is done. Your bassaru is ready. So let's start making the palya. So in deep bottom vessel on medium flame, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. To that 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. So add in 1 medium sliced onions. Once the onions are cooked, you add in the dal mixture which we had previously drained. Mix it well and cook for 5 minutes. Now we start adding the powders. Turn the flame to low. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder and salt as per your taste. Mix it well and allow it to cook on low flame for 2 minutes. So now you can see it's completely cooked. Switch off the flame and it is ready to be served. So your Ridge Gourd Palya is ready. Also check my Instagram account at jan.e555. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and check out my other videos. Until then, take care guys. See you next time. Bye.